everyone, welcome back to a brand new video in this year 2021. So firstly, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring lots of positivity and lots of good health and happiness to your family. So let's check out the video. So today's video is all about shrimp and spaghetti, which is tossed in a spicy roasted tomato sauce. The name itself is enough to make your mouth water. So without further ado, let's begin. To make the spicy roasted tomato sauce, first I have taken your 2 tomatoes, make slits in between and then place it in the burner. Now turn it all over and wait till the skin of the tomatoes become properly charred. Once properly roasted, turn off the burner and then you have to run it under cold water and peel off the skin, which will come out easily. To boil the spaghetti in a karai, add in enough quantity of water and some salt. Now add in a few drops of oil and let the water come to a rolling boil. Once the water starts boiling, add in your spaghetti. Read the packaged instructions and then boil it accordingly. Once they are done, strain off the liquid and run it under cold water. You can keep the pasta water to make the sauce later. Now in a pan, add in some oil and let the oil heat up. Now add in your shrimps, cleaned and deveined. This medium size is preferable, otherwise you can use large shrimps and then chop it up and fry them. Once one side of the fish has turned pink in color, flip it to the other side. Do not cook it for long, otherwise the prawns will turn rubbery. A minute or so is just perfect to sear the prawns. Now add in some red chili flakes and some salt to flavor the prawns. Toss it for a few seconds and then keep it aside. To the same pan, add in some more oil and now add in some chopped garlic and some red chili flakes. Saute it for a while till the raw flavor of the garlic goes away. You do not have to brown the garlic, just sweat it for a minute or so. And scrape from the bottom of the pan because that is all pure flavor. Next, add in some lemon zest and a few chopped parsley. Add in the roasted tomato puree, some water if required. At this point, you can add in the pasta water if you feel like to make the sauce a little on the thicker side, and saute it for a minute or two. Once the raw flavor of the tomatoes and the garlic cooks off, then add in your prawns. Some sugar goes in to balance out the tartness and then give it a quick mix. Next, add in your boiled spaghetti. Now coat it very well with the spicy roasted tomato sauce. Make sure that each strand of the spaghetti is very well coated with the sauce. Check for the seasoning and adjust it accordingly. And now finish off with some parsley and some lemon juice. Make sure that the heat is turned off. Mix it well and it's ready to be served. Now serve it the way you see in the video or as you may wish. So I have saved some shrimps that we sauteed earlier. I am putting it on the top, and now I will be adding in some chopped parsley, a few red chili flakes, this is optional, and a squeeze of lemon juice on the top. And your shrimp spaghetti is ready. Please do check the description box for the list of ingredients, and if you have any comments or questions, pop them below. I will be happy to share it with you all. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.